Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'll be doing a unboxing video for you guys. How do you open the packaging? So it is from LV. It's another small leather good. So let me just go ahead and open this up. Can you guys guess what it is? I have already talked about this on my channel, so some of you might already know. It is the key pouch in the Damier Azure print. This is my first Damier Azure canvas item. I wanted to get something small in this canvas, just to kind of see the wear and tears, the color transfer that some people are very worried about. Let me just check the stitching. And the stitching look okay. Okay. The print here, the Louis Vuitton Paris print, it's a little faded. Let me know if that's normal in the comment section below. Let me check the stitchings. Okay, you can actually see the stitching. Yeah, you can see the stitching all around. Is that normal, guys? I don't think it is. Like, this is oh my god. And also, like, the square are not aligned. So you see how it's not completely aligned. And oh my god, the stitching is so visible. Like, right there. Okay. And did you guys see that? The cut here, the I don't know what you call it, the line here, like it's not even nicely cut. So yeah, and it doesn't look straight, like it's kind of bulking out a little bit here. The hardware is good though. Let me try opening this. I'm assuming this is made in USA, because I've seen a lot of USA items with quality issue. So it's coated fabric, cowhide leather lining, made in USA. Let's see inside. Let me see the date code. Sorry guys, my video got cut off. But yeah, the date code is 34th week of 2020, so it's fairly new. I mean, the interior looks okay. I know some people were checking for the hole, or like this, like it's see-through. Yeah, there's definitely, you can see through the back here. So you see my finger moving there. Yeah, let me take a look at the hardware. Yeah, the hardware looks very nice, but the canvas feel nice too, but I'm worried about the stitching. I don't know if this will have an impact to the wear and tear in the future. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, if I should keep this item or should I return and try to get a different one. It is not an easy item to get your hands on. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.